Okay, so what's up everybody? I know it's been a while since I posted, but I've been working on my quadruped. I realized that I had a few problems. First one was the power. I was getting enough power to my servos, so they kept on like crashing or just not working right. And second, the code. I had to go on GitHub. I found some good open source code on GitHub. Like I'll try to put that in the description for this video or the next one, just so you can see where I got most of my source code from. So I'm gonna just show you how it actually walks. It's not great, but it actually moves now, so it takes a second. Okay. Then it just keeps on going.